Alright guys, trade recap on how I lost today. Basically, this week has been extremely choppy, but I'm gonna give you a run through of how I lost today. So, as usual, I had Asian session liquidity, highs and lows, London session liquidity, highs and lows, 1 hour liquidity, and I came down into the 5 minute time frame. We took out this 1 hour liquidity, manipulated it reversed, so our bias is bullish. And on GU we didn't do the same, we didn't take out any liquidity, so I executed today's market with caution and proper risk management. So we took out this 5 minute liquidity New York session when New York session opened. So I went into 1 minute time frame looking for entry, breaker structure, fair value gap, which I got here, entered off, and we came up here. Initially, I was looking for, usually I would have moved my stop loss to break even once I get a closure over this 5 minute high right here, but we didn't get a closure here and we ended up retracing. We almost hit stop loss, and I did thought we were gonna get stopped out right here, and we came back up. I still didn't move my stop loss break even because I kind of was scared to do that because yesterday I did move my stop loss break even and price ended up hitting take profit while I got stopped out. So I wasn't really interested in moving my stop loss break even. So I saw price came out here and retrace once more, stopped me out right there. It's just been extremely choppy. I looked on US dollar index and we did form SMT. This was the first SMT we formed. This was the first SMT, which was a bearish SMT, and when we retrace on EURUSD, we came down right here and it basically took out this SMT and created a new SMT right here. So I did see that, and on GU we still had this SMT right here, and on EU we still had this SMT, which I think we came lower and created a second SMT. This time it was a bullish SMT right here, so we did came down and created that. So I was looking for a price to go higher, but I don't know what's happening this week. This week is super choppy. This has been the worst trading week I've had in a while, so I don't really know what happened this week. We kept moving up and moving sideways, and it's just super choppy. GU seemed like it wanted to go higher, and EU just kept chopping around, just kept going sideways, going high, low. I honestly don't know, but this week's been super choppy. It's been a L week for me, and this is basically a true recap of how I lost today to bad market conditions. As it relates to tomorrow, I am trying to trade tomorrow since it doesn't really have any high impact news that I'm trying to avoid trading. The only thing I see is FOMC member Waller speaks at 6 p.m. That isn't really a FOMC news, it's just the member speaking. So and that's like 6 p.m. So I'm trying to trade tomorrow. And Friday we also have the Spanish flash CPI, German prelim CPI. These aren't official CPI, so I am trying to trade Friday as well. But let's just see how I finish this week because it's been super choppy. But peace out.